Let's make some Mother's Day cards. To make this card, you'll need a few pieces of colourful card or paper. You'll need some scissors, some double-sided tape, and then you will also need to draw around the hand of your child, which is easier said than done. This part is optional. This is just my heart punch that I often use in my crafts. You don't have to use that if you don't want to. So first I had to draw around the hand of my child, who was quite wriggly at the time. I drew around her hand in pencil and then went over it in pen, then I scanned it and duplicated it on my computer and then printed it off in some green card because that was going to be my plant. I also printed off these plant pots. Again, you don't have to print this bit, you could draw it if you want to, that's absolutely fine. You also don't have to print this bit, I just printed it for ease because it's a lot easier and a lot faster for me to just print, especially because I had to make 4. These are some flowers and some hearts. Again, you could draw these if you wanted to. I mostly printed all of these elements because it just meant I could speed up the process. Now this next tool I'm going to be using is called a crafter's companion. This helps me to fold my cards really nice and neat. You don't have to do this bit, maybe you're really good at folding, but I'm not, okay? So I have to use that. And now I'm just going to cut out all of my elements. I quite like to cut things out and just kind of put them roughly on the card before I start sticking, just so I can make sure that everything's going to look okay. So I'm cutting out the hand, cutting out the flowers, and just going to arrange them before I actually stick them down. Again, this process is quite fiddly. So once I'm happy with where everything is going to sit, I use my double-sided tape, and you want the green hand to be behind the plant pot, then you can add on your flowers. And then finally, I'm going to put this heart sticker on the back, and here's the finished product. I think it's actually pretty quick and really effective. It's the kind of card that, you know, grandparents will probably treasure because it's got like their grandchildren's handprint on it. You can put the date on. It's just a really nice, easy card to make, and it's actually one that will be treasured for a very long time. This size comes to an A5 size, so I think a C5 envelope is needed. But aside from that, there it is, it's done, it's cute. You could also get your child to sign it if they are happy to write in the card. But yeah, this is how they turned out. If you want to go ahead and make this craft, it shouldn't take long at all. The only thing I'm sad about is that I didn't make one of these for myself because I would have loved to have this card. So if there is someone in your life that you think would love this card on Mother's Day, please make it for them because it is something you can treasure for years to come. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you again next time. Bye!